Congratulations! You've been hired as the night guard at Wes Supermarket in the desolate town of Derry, Maine. Your job? Patrol the aisles, watch the cameras, and follow the rules, especially rule number 5. Rule number 1. Lock the front doors at exactly 10:30 p.m. Not before, not after. If you get the timing wrong, you'll be locking something inside with you. Rule number 2. If you see a shopping cart moving on its own between the aisles, don't touch it. Don't even get close. Rule number 3. Around 12:05, if you hear knocking from inside the freezers, ignore it, no matter how loud it gets. Rule number 4. When you walk past the clothing section, the mannequins will turn their heads to follow you.
I said don't want. Open this door. I don't want to $10. Open this door. I don't want to $10.